Formtech Group is a leading provider of equipment, tooling, and system solutions for the metal fabrication industry, especially in the field of tube and pipe manufacturing. They own many famous brands including Yoder, a name that has become an icon in the tube manufacturing industry. The Yoder cage forming system, invented and patented by Yoder, is based on mathematical principles and unique concepts. The Yoder cage forming system was first installed and converted in 1969 by Bethlehem Steel Corporation on their 16-inch tube plant in Sparrows Point, Maryland, USA. It forms tubes from 5 to 9/16 of an inch to 16 inches in diameter. Dimensions such as 8-5/8 in by 0.125 in, 10-3/4 in by 0.156 in, and 12-3/4 in by 0.188 in that could not be formed on the original mill were successfully rolled with higher production rates. In this installation, 2 of the 4 racks were eliminated. Instead of using 4 75 HP motors, forming was provided by only 2 75 HP motors. The cage system required less forming effort, and therefore the steel strip was subjected to less stress and deformation, and less tool wear. This method becomes especially important and essential when the ratio between the outside diameter of the tube and the wall thickness, i.e., the DT ratio, exceeds 40:1 and up to the 100:1 range. Conventional forming methods roll the material in separate steps and use pressing force. The Yoder cage forming system forms steel strip continuously with smooth transitions and minimal effort. As a result, the material is actually guided through the forming plant with a uniform but extremely small shape change in each small step of the tube. The advantage of the Yoder cage forming system is that it enables continuous and smooth forming. Unlike traditional methods that use pressure and discrete roll steps, the Yoder cage forming system forms steel strip continuously with smooth transitions, minimizing unwanted stress and deformation on the material. The system is particularly effective when producing tubes with high diameter to wall thickness, DT ratios, from 40:1 to 100:1, i.e. tubes with thin walls compared to their diameter. This is a major challenge for traditional methods due to the risk of distortion and wrinkling. Because the forming process is gentle and continuous, the Yoder cage forming system minimizes the impact force on the material and tool, thereby reducing wear and extending the life of the tool. With continuous forming, the Yoder cage forming system allows for higher productivity than traditional methods. The system helps to produce tubes with precise shapes, smooth surfaces, and little distortion. Traditional tube forming methods often use discrete rolling steps, in which the steel strip is bent step by pairs of rollers. This method can cause local stress and deformation in the material, especially when producing thin-walled tubes. The Yoder cage forming system overcomes this disadvantage by forming continuously and smoothly, minimizing stress and deformation. The Yoder cage forming system uses a series of rollers arranged in a special structure, forming a cage around the steel strip. The steel strip is guided through this cage, and as it moves, it is gradually bent and shaped into a tube. This process is continuous and smooth, with very small shape changes at each stage. With its outstanding advantages, this system is widely used in the production of steel pipes, especially large diameter and thin-walled pipes, used in many industries such as construction, energy, automotive industry, machine manufacturing. For the most specific view, let's take a look at one pipe production process using Yoder cage forming system. Raw materials in the production process use high-quality steel coils, carbon, alloy, or stainless steel. The steel coil is cut to the width suitable for the size of the pipe to be produced. The steel strip is passed through the preliminary forming rollers. These rollers begin to bend the steel strip into the basic shape, e.g. round, square, or rectangular. Yoder cage forming technology uses forming rollers arranged in a special structure, allowing flexible adjustment of the shape and size of the pipe. This outstanding feature helps reduce concentrated pressure on one point, thereby reducing the risk of distortion or deformation of the material. Moreover, it does not require a support mold. so it helps reduce maintenance costs and increases flexibility when changing product size, ensuring the product has a uniform thickness, accurate diameter, and smooth surface. The steel edges, after being shaped, are passed through the high-frequency welding system. The temperature control system ensures a uniform weld without voids or cracks, increasing the mechanical strength of the pipe. The pipe is cooled by water or air, stabilizing the size and structure of the material. The final shaping roller ensures the specifications of the diameter, angle, and flatness of the product. The pipe is cut to the required length by the automatic cutting system without deforming the product. Then the surface is treated by cleaning and coating with anti-rust if necessary, or polishing or galvanizing to increase durability and aesthetics. All products are subjected to standard quality control stages, such as geometrical inspection, mechanical testing, and non-destructive testing to ensure the best quality output products. Thanks to the use of Yoder cage forming system, the products always achieve high production efficiency, low operating costs thanks to the design without the need for a support mold, stable quality, and environmentally friendly. This is a typical example of the success of applying the Yoder cage forming system into the production process. Global Tube Solutions, GTS, is a company based in the United States, with the main field of operation being the production of structural steel pipes and industrial pipes. Currently, the company is using an old production system with many weaknesses, such as low production efficiency due to the old system being inflexible, high scrap rate due to poor control of the forming and welding process, leading to difficulty in meeting diverse orders in terms of tube size and shape. In 2020, Global Tube Solutions invested in the Yoder cage forming system provided by Formtech Group. This system is specifically designed to meet the needs of producing square, round, and rectangular tubes with high precision, fast switching time between product configurations. After only a short time of putting the system into operation, the company's production speed increased by 30% compared to the old system, quickly responding to large orders. The scrap rate decreased from 5% to only 1% thanks to the ability to strictly control each stage, from forming to welding and cooling. The system allows quick conversion between different pipe configurations within just 15 minutes. Previously, it took up to 2 hours. Square, rectangular, and round pipes can be produced with sizes from 25 mm to 150 mm, meeting the diverse needs of customers. Dimensional accuracy reaches plus or minus 0.05 mm, far exceeding standard requirements. The weld seam is smooth, without defects, meeting international standards such as ASTM and ISO. Not only that, the system also helps save operating costs. Energy consumption is reduced by 15% due to the energy-efficient design of the Yoder system. Significantly reduce maintenance costs because the system does not require the use of molds. Thanks to the flexibility and high quality of the product, GTS has signed many large contracts with customers in the construction and energy industries, increasing annual revenue by 20%. With the ability to produce pipes with unique shapes and sizes, GTS has expanded into the market of supplying pipes to the automotive and precision engineering industries, which was previously inaccessible. Customers appreciate the improvement in quality and delivery time. GTS quickly became one of the leading steel pipe suppliers in the North American region. Thus, we can see that using the Yoder cage forming system is not only an investment in modern technology, but also a strategy to increase production efficiency, improve product quality, reduce operating costs, create competitive advantages in the market. This system provides a comprehensive solution for businesses that want to optimize production processes and expand the market. TORICH is a professional company in the field of steel pipe manufacturing and supplying. With more than 20 years of experience, they focus on precision steel pipes, including seamless pipes, precision welded pipes, DOM drawn over mandrel pipes, and stainless pipes. TORICH provides a one-stop solution for customers, from production to distribution and support services. Cold-drawn seamless square pipes are produced from seamless round pipes through a cold deformation process. TORICH uses high-quality seamless round steel billets, which are produced by hot rolling or extrusion processes. The steel grade is selected depending on the technical requirements of the final product. The round pipe billets are carefully inspected for size, surface quality, and chemical composition to ensure they meet the standards before being put into the cold drawing process. Cold drawing is the most important step in forming square pipes. The round pipe is drawn through a die to form a square or rectangular shape. This process is carried out at room temperature cold, plastically deforming the tube and changing its shape. Cold drawing is usually carried out in several stages, each stage using a smaller die. This helps control the deformation and avoid cracking of the tube. The number of drawing stages depends on the required deformation and the wall thickness of the tube. Lubricants are used during the drawing process to reduce friction between the tube and the die, making drawing easier and improving the surface quality of the tube. After cold drawing, the tube may be warped. The straightening process is carried out using a specialized straightening machine to ensure the straightness of the tube. The tube is cut into sections of the required length using a saw or laser cutter. Depending on the application requirements, the tube can be surface treated by methods such as galvanizing, nickel plating, chrome plating, powder coating, or phosphating. Cold-drawn seamless square tubes are strictly quality tested for size, straightness, hardness, surface quality, and other physical and mechanical properties. Inspection methods include visual inspection, caliper measurement, hardness tester testing, and other specialized equipment testing. Neptune Plastics is a company specializing in the production of plastic pipes, including HDPE, high-density polyethylene pipes. They are known for their stable product quality and advanced production technology. Neptune Plastics HDPE pipes are widely used in water supply and drainage systems, gas pipeline systems, irrigation systems, and many other industrial fields. One of the company's outstanding products is the double-wall HDPE pipe extrusion line, designed to produce high-strength pipes to meet diverse market needs. Neptune Plastics double-wall HDPE pipe extrusion line is designed to produce double-wall pipes with outstanding advantages, such as a smooth inner layer to reduce friction and increase the efficiency of liquid or gas transmission, and a durable outer layer to withstand pressure and environmental impacts. Neptune Plastics double-wall HDPE pipe production process includes the following main steps. High-quality HDPE resin is selected to ensure durability and corrosion resistance. Additives such as UV inhibitors, heat stabilizers, and colorants are mixed in precise proportions. The resin and additives are loaded into the hopper and fed automatically. This system ensures that the raw materials are fed into the extruder at a uniform rate. The twin screw extruder heats and mixes the resin at high temperatures, 180 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. The molten resin mixture is forced through the extrusion die to form the basic tube shape. The resin is divided into two streams. The inner layer is designed to be smooth to optimize the liquid flow. The outer layer is made thicker and reinforced to increase the pressure resistance. Co-extrusion ensures that the two layers are tightly bonded together without separation under harsh conditions. Extrusion is the most important stage, determining the quality of the tube. Neptune Plastics uses a modern extrusion line with two extruders. Main extruder extrudes the outer layer of the tube, forming the corrugated rib. Sub-extruder extrudes the inner layer of the tube, creating a smooth surface. The extrusion die is specially designed to create a double-layer structure with corrugated outer ribs and a smooth inner surface. The die is usually made of high-quality alloy steel and is precision machined to ensure the accuracy of the tube size and shape. The plastic pellets are melted in the extruder and pushed through the die. The two streams of molten plastic from the two extruders are combined in the die to form the double-layer tube. The tube is cooled rapidly in a circulating water tank to stabilize the size and structure. Sensors monitor the temperature to ensure that the tube does not deform. The automatic tube pulling system keeps the product moving steadily through the line. Precision cutters determine the required tube length, 6 meters, 12 meters, or long rolls. Each tube section is tested according to international standards. The double layer thickness must ensure the correct design ratio between the inner and outer layers. Pressure resistance tested by a hydrostatic pressure tester. Impact resistance ensures the pipe can withstand physical impacts during installation, and lastly, corrosion and UV resistance. Double wall HDPE pipe extrusion line, integrated intelligent control software, allowing precise monitoring and adjustment of temperature, extrusion speed, and raw material ratio. Simultaneous extrusion technology creates perfect bonding between the two pipe layers, improving product durability and longevity. Circulating cooling system reduces water and energy consumption while ensuring dimensional stability of the product. The line can produce a wide range of pipe sizes, from 16 millimeters to 800 millimeters, and customize the double layer thickness. The pipes meet ISO, ASTM, and DIN standards, ensuring high performance and long service life. If you are looking for an efficient, sustainable, and high-quality HDPE pipe production solution, choose Neptune Plastics Double Wall HDPE Pipe Extrusion Line. With Neptune, quality always goes hand in hand with technological innovation. Berlick Machina is a leading company in the field of manufacturing industrial machinery and lines, especially solutions for the steel pipe industry. They are famous for their advanced technology, high product quality, and professional customer support service. Berlick Machina offers a wide range of machinery, from steel rolling mills, pipe welding machines, to steel pipe finishing systems. Berlick Machina uses advanced roll forming machines with automatic control systems, allowing the production of steel pipes with high precision and high productivity. Berlick Machina's high-frequency welding technology ensures fast welding speed, high-quality welds, and energy savings. Berlick Machina's production lines are equipped with PLC automatic control systems, which optimize the production process, minimize errors, and improve efficiency. Cold-rolled or hot-rolled steel is fed into the press to be cut and shaped to the required size. This stage ensures that the input material has a smooth surface and meets the specifications of the steel pipe to be produced. The steel coil is flattened through the pressing system. Then it is rolled by rolling shafts to form the preliminary shape of the pipe. Electric resistance welding, ERW, or high-frequency welding, HF technology is applied to connect the steel edges together, creating a strong, durable weld. The automatic quality control system checks the weld, ensuring there are no defects. The steel pipe is cooled, checked for diameter and dimensional accuracy. The welds are cleaned and treated to increase aesthetics and durability. The steel pipe is cut to the required length by an automatic cutting machine. Finally, the pipes are inspected one last time before being packaged and shipped. Spiro International SA is a world leader in the development and production of machines for the production of round ducts and fittings in sheet metal, primarily for the ventilation industry. With over 80% of the world's round ventilation components produced on Spiro machines, the numbers speak for themselves. Spiro is truly the company to rely on when it comes to solutions related to round ventilation systems. One of Spiro's most prominent products is the GoraLocker Combi T, which is used to produce locking elbows and vertical reducers for HVAC ventilation systems. The GoraLocker Combi T is a versatile combination machine that integrates the functions of forming and locking elbows, as well as processing of vertical reducers. The machine uses advanced technology to produce round fittings with high precision and exceptional durability, suitable for HVAC systems that require reliability and efficiency. The machine is designed to process galvanized steel, stainless steel, or aluminum sheets with thicknesses from 0.4 mm to 1.2 mm, pre-programmed to process various sizes and angles, meeting international standards in the HVAC industry. The metal sheet is cut and preformed into fan-shaped sections. Precision in cutting and forming ensures a tight fit during assembly. GoraLocker uses roller forming to bend the metal sheet into an elbow shape. This process ensures a smooth, uniform bend without distorting the material. The joints between the fan-shaped sections are locked using a combination of pressing and rolling technology, creating a strong, airtight joint. Spiro's exclusive locking technology ensures that the product is leak-free, meeting strict airflow standards. GoraLocker Combi T is capable of forming detailed edges and borders, allowing for easy connection to other components in the system. The edge is machined smoothly, ensuring no obstruction to airflow or leakage. GoraLocker Combi T can quickly switch between locking elbow and vertical reducer production mode, saving time and cost. The machine is controlled by an advanced CNC system, allowing easy customization of production parameters. Fast production capability with outstanding precision, meeting mass production requirements. Luxfer Gas Cylinders is a world-leading manufacturer of high-pressure gas cylinders, especially aluminum and composite cylinders. They are renowned for their advanced technology, superior product quality, and high safety. Luxfer cylinders are widely used in many fields such as medical, firefighting, diving, aerospace, and industrial. They are often made from carbon composite materials, which significantly reduce weight compared to traditional steel or aluminum cylinders while maintaining high durability. Luxfer's carbon composite cylinder manufacturing process is carried out through the following main steps. Carbon composite cylinders are designed using advanced simulation software, CAD, CAE, to ensure optimization of strength, weight, and performance. Precision molds are machined from high-quality materials to ensure precision in production. The liner is the inner layer of the cylinder, which can be made from aluminum or polymer, and is shaped through pressing or stretching. This liner acts as an air barrier, ensuring no leakage and maintaining internal pressure. Carbon fiber winding is an important step in creating a composite layer for the cylinder. Carbon fibers are wrapped around the liner in different directions, plus or minus 45 degrees, plus or minus 90 degrees. The carbon fibers are impregnated with epoxy resin during the winding process to increase the bond and create a strong composite layer. This process uses an automatic CNC winding machine to ensure accuracy and uniformity. The cylinder, after being wrapped with carbon fibers, is placed in a heat treatment furnace. The curing process helps the epoxy resin harden, creating a strong composite structure. After heat treatment, the cylinder is inspected for surface and necessary details such as valves, cylinder necks, or accessory assembly are machined. The cylinder surface is painted or coated with a protective layer to resist environmental impacts. Each cylinder undergoes rigorous testing, including burst pressure test, non-destructive testing, and leakage testing. Luxfer uses automated fiber winding machines that allow precise control of the thickness and direction of the carbon fiber, ensuring that each cylinder achieves optimal strength. The carbon fiber used by Luxfer has very high tensile strength, combined with quality epoxy resin, providing superior pressure resistance and ultralight weight. Luxfer's quality management system strictly complies with international standards such as ISO 11119 and .CFFC. Each cylinder is assigned an identification number, ID, to track production and inspection history. Luxfer optimizes its manufacturing process to reduce emissions and energy consumption. The materials used can be recycled or reused, minimizing environmental impact. Monol Chains is known for its pioneering use of modern technology to produce high-quality chains that meet the most demanding demands of the global market. Monol Chains alloy steel chains are specially designed for use in applications that require high strength, corrosion resistance, and heavy load capacity. Monol's alloy steel chain manufacturing process includes the following main steps, with special technology applied in each stage. Monol uses high-quality alloy steel, carefully selected from reputable suppliers. The chemical composition of the steel is strictly controlled to ensure the strength, toughness, and wear resistance of the chain. The wire steel is cut into short pieces with precise dimensions according to design standards, then bent into chain link shape through CNC automatic bending machines, ensuring uniform size and shape. Each link is welded using resistance welding or friction welding technology, ensuring a strong and uniform weld. Next, the chain will be heat-treated to enhance the mechanical properties of the chain. This process includes two stages: hardening and tempering to reduce brittleness and increase the flexibility of the chain. The chain is cleaned by shot blasting or chemicals to remove impurities and increase the adhesion of the coating. To increase corrosion resistance and improve aesthetics, the chain can be surface treated by methods such as zinc plating, nickel plating, chrome plating, or powder coating. Monol Chains applies a strict inspection system to ensure that each output product is perfect.